We are scholars. I can ask for help in the learning space when I need it. On the screen, you can see the 4 quadrants, which you've been learning about in our previous PBL videos. Today's lesson is focusing around the learning zone by crossing the line of opportunity. To cross this line of opportunity, you are going to be asking for help and using some different strategies to keep you in the learning space.
Right, so when we talk about decimals, they're really similar to fractions, which we learned a couple weeks ago. The decimal just denotes part of a number. So when we talk about our hundredths and tenths and our place value chart, the decimal comes and then we have partial values. Everyone, can you start working on that worksheet, pointing out where the decimal is? Miss Sunblom, I see that you're having trouble right now. What can we do to help you cross the line of opportunity and get into the learning zone? What if we use some physical things to actually lay out the decimals? How would that sound? Yeah? Yeah. Here, I've got some stuff right here. Let's talk here. So, that is 100.
Mm-hmm. What zone do you think Miss Sunblom was in? What strategy did Mr. Lynch suggest to help Miss Sunblom? How did this help Miss Sunblom move back into the learning zone?
You okay, Mr. Willis? I can see you're stuck on something there.
Mr. Corrigan, I'm having a little bit of trouble just doing my writing today.
Yeah, so I can see you're in the trying zone. What strategies do you think we can use to try and move into the learning zone?
Well, I think I've got 4 options.
Yep.
I could ask up here.
Yep.
I could look in my book.
Yep.
I could use the learning wall. Or I could ask the teacher.
Perfect. So which option would you like to go with for this task? What do you think is most suitable?
I think I'm going to go with the learning wall today.
Absolutely. That's it. Well done.
What did Mr. Corrigan notice about Mr. Willis? How did Mr. Willis try to help himself in this video? What strategies did he suggest to try?
Oh, I thought that was the right answer. How am I getting this wrong? That one's right, but this one's not right. I feel like I'm slipping into that trying zone again. How do I get myself into the learning zone? Miss Baker?
Yeah.
Could you please help me with this one?
Oh, of course I can.
So I got 20 divided by 2 is 10.
Yes.
But 22 divided by 2,
yes,
I got as 12.
Okay.
So what have I done wrong?
So, when we did our 20, and you know how you halved it?
Yep.
Did you halve the 22? So what's half of 22?
11.
11.
Oh.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Thanks, Miss Baker. I think I'm in the learning zone again.
That was a really good strategy. I love that you stayed in the learning zone. Good job.
Thank you.
What strategy did Mr. Corrigan use in this video? What other strategies could you use to help stay focused on your learning? As a class, brainstorm your ideas of some different strategies that you could use.